How to recover old WhatsApp account without SIM. Welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to recover your old WhatsApp account without needing your SIM card. This can be really helpful if you've changed numbers or lost access to your SIM. Let's get started. First, make sure you have WhatsApp installed on your device. You can download it from the App Store, Google Play Store, or the website if you haven't done so already. Open WhatsApp and process to the verification screen. Enter the phone number associated with your old account and make sure to select the correct country code. Next, click on Next to receive a verification code, and since you don't have access to the SIM card, choose the option for receiving the code via voice call. WhatsApp will call the number and you'll hear the verification code, so write it down. Now, enter the verification code in WhatsApp. If it's correct, you'll be able to access your account, and make sure to check if you have any messages or data backed up if you had previously enabled WhatsApp backup. If you've backed up your chats to Google Drive or iCloud, you'll have the option to restore your chat history during the setup process, so just follow the prompts to recover your old messages. In case you're wondering how to receive that call or verification SMS, you can contact the owner of the number, the new owner of the number that you had previously, and ask them for the code just to recover your WhatsApp chats and data. And that's it, you've successfully recovered your old WhatsApp account without a SIM. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Happy chatting, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.